What's up, guys? So right now we are at Capitol Raceway. We're gonna go link up with Troy and Sam because they're both running their cars. So we're gonna see the Turbo Audi go pretty fast and the Cts-V go really fast. So let's go do that. Hello, sir. 2 spectators. $20 in stripper money.
I can see that.
I'm a male stripper, so.
I don't want it then.
I won't allow her to be a stripper.
Anthony's like, I want to put it in sports mode so like I can be known and sound like I'm at least a little bit fast.
Yeah.
And there's another fucking
I'm pretty much a race car, so we're not racing today. We're not racing today, but it's
Alexis is not a race car, bro.
Just believe in my dreams.
It's not a race car, bro. Sir, are you racing that? Are you racing that today? Are you racing that today?
Yeah. I'm getting tatted up by my booski, you feel me? Yeah. We're gonna be official. We're official. Oh, we pulled up and we see Samsa. Hey, what'd you run? What'd you run? 11s? Secret? I'll bleep it out. Ew, what the fuck?
I got a shitty launch.
Damn, bro.
Launch it, bro.
I'm ready to race you in my car.
I can't launch it, dude. My mile an hour went up.
What's your mile an hour? Oh, that's not bad, dude.
That's my second pass. So.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm feeling the car out.
Yeah. Nah, once you get a decent launch, you should be up there. What's up, Chuck?
What's up?
What's up, baby? What happened?
I don't know, we're checking stuff out.
We got Troy's car peeing over here. It's a squirter.
Peace!
Alright, so
Oh, Lord.
I don't even know you. So Troy is gonna go peace out, bro. Peace out. So he's getting ice for his car, so we're waiting for him to get ice in his car so that he could get a good time, you know? Right now, we're taking a freaking pee break. She got, like I said in the last video, she got wisdom teeth removed. She's taking all these fucking Percocets, Molly Percocets. But we're gonna go pee and then hopefully Troy's gonna run his record pass. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be dope.
The record.
Sam's freaking car has a good mile an hour, but that freaking time slip, Sam, boy, you better get that up, boy, or we're gonna have to do dig, shorty. Okay, pee break is over, and now it's time to look at some cars. You guys should definitely hit the like button right now because, you know, 1, you love me, obviously, you're subscribed to the channel. 2, Hayley's a G drinking her freaking Gatorade. Fuck all the haters, but like, we're gonna go watch some cars, so let's go do that.
They never thought I would make it. Why would you trade all that love for some hatred? I come from right in the basement, Zillow ain't leaking, we need renovation. I ain't reaching out to no more niggas, all these niggas tried to play me. I ain't never trusted no more, bitches took my heart and tried to break it. No, I ain't, no, I ain't, no, I ain't, don't need you. She like you look like you keep a bag on you. They never thought I would make it.
Troy. Yeah, baby, got the whole fucking suit, baby, yeah. My man's got them Peter, Piper, Picker, Pan. Yeah, baby. Wow, it's a GTR, very cool.
In the vans.
In the vans. Alright, so we're about to put some more ice in Troy's car. He's got a PB tonight. I don't know if you can hear me. It's super fucking loud. We're gonna ice this thing down and then see if we can get a PB. We already got a PB, but we're trying to go better. Alright, so the tank's good to go. We're about to go run this thing another time. Get the pump going, get her nice and cool. See what this baby does because it should have a really good pass in it. But
put like 4 bags of ice in there.
4 bags of ice, yeah.
Full chest in the back.
Full chest, baby. Arg, matey. All right, we're making our way up there. Haley squeezed on my lap. You are freaking small as hell. That's funny.
Ice chest. Actually, we'll get it circulating a little.
Do you have a pump button or it just does it
I have
itself?
a switch so I can turn the pump on.
Right.
It's my headlights. So right now,
hey,
it's
that's
on.
dope. What the hell was that?
You'll see it start dry. It went down.
He said, oh, window.
I never saw
Trunks
that.
open, shit.
Let me have that real quick.
I get it.
Go get it, Troy. Oh, yeah, drink that Dr. Pepper, or my bad, Mr. Pibb. The IITs are looking good, so the PB's in the grass. We're gonna do this. Man's got the ketchup. What'd you hit a deer or something?
Pack of French fries or something.
I bet your friend
A pack of French fries.